OpenAI node now got built-in tool over here in the OpenAI node where you can access built-in tools. This basically means that for my OpenAI, I can use web search, file search, or code interpreter. Let's look at web search. This feature allows OpenAI node to search the internet in real time and bring the latest information. Let's say you want the latest stock price. Just ask a question like, what's the Oracle stock price today? It will search live websites and show results. You can actually restrict this to your own domain. And this will literally let the agent web search only information from specific website. So you don't have to build RAG systems, upload PDFs, make sure it's up to date. Your agent can literally access the website in real time. Let's take an example of searching leadership team from Ford. And here it scraped and got the leadership team list from Ford. File search allows the AI to search inside your uploaded documents. It uses embeddings behind the scenes and acts like a private chatbot over your files. Files must be pre-uploaded to OpenAI. Code interpreter runs Python code inside a secure sandbox. It can process files, analyze data, create charts, clean datasets, or generate outputs like CSV. No Python installation needed. Also, n8n got response to chat node for interactive conversation. Let's see how to set up an AI-powered chat assistant that helps to manage invoice data with duplicate entries. We have table containing duplicate invoice records. Chat trigger activates the AI agent with this prompt response to chat tool and output node as response to chat. When the assistant finds duplicates, it will respond with a message configured in the response to message node here, and then it waits for the user reply with a short timeout of 0.5 seconds. So if I send clean invoice table and fix duplicate record, it finds the duplicate and asks my response to clean or skip. Let's say skip. And it ends the conversation without deleting duplicate. This simple but powerful workflow helps users interact with invoice data dynamically and resolve duplicates efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.